In a world where technology, sustainability, and performance converge, BMW stands ready to redefine the future of driving. The all-new BMW iX3, the first fully electric sports activity vehicle from the new E-Class generation, is more than just a car. It is the blueprint for a new era of sheer driving pleasure. This is not an evolution. This is a revolution. The iX3 embodies everything that BMW has been building toward: intelligence, power, emotion, and progress, all fused into a single extraordinary creation. The story of the iX3 begins with ambition, an ambition to transform mobility. BMW's new E-Class represents a complete reinvention of its vehicles from the ground up, integrating electric propulsion, digital intelligence, and circular sustainability into one cohesive philosophy. Practically everything about it is new, yet it is also more BMW than ever, says Oliver Zipse, chairman of the board of management of BMW AG. That statement perfectly captures the spirit of the iX3, a machine designed to deliver innovation without sacrificing the soul of driving. Built at BMW's cutting-edge Debrecen plant in Hungary, the iX3 is the first model of this new generation to reach production. The facility itself operates without fossil fuels, demonstrating BMW's commitment to sustainable manufacturing. From here, the car will make its way to roads across Europe in 2026, followed by the United States and China, signaling a global shift toward electric excellence. At the heart of the BMW iX3 lies the sixth-generation BMW eDrive technology, developed exclusively for the new E-Class. This system introduces a pair of electric motors, an efficient synchronous motor at the rear and a compact asynchronous motor at the front, working in harmony to produce 345 kilowatts or 469 horsepower. Together, they generate an impressive 645 newton-meters of torque, propelling the iX3 from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.9 seconds. Yet despite this performance, efficiency remains unmatched. Energy losses are reduced by 40% compared to the previous generation, weight by 10%, and manufacturing costs by 20%. Powering this precision is an all-new high-voltage battery built around BMW's innovative cylindrical cell concept. These new cells deliver 20% higher energy density, a 30% increase in charging speed, and a structural integration directly into the body of the car for optimal strength and weight balance. With a usable capacity of 108.7 kilowatt-hours, the BMW iX3 achieves an astonishing range of up to 805 kilometers, or roughly 500 miles, on the WLTP cycle. That's efficiency without compromise, true long-distance capability, electrified. And when it's time to recharge, the iX3 sets new standards again. Thanks to its 800-volt architecture, it can charge at a blistering 400 kilowatts, enough to add 372 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes. From 10 to 80% battery capacity takes only 21 minutes at a high-power station. The car also supports AC charging at up to 22 kilowatts for everyday convenience. But perhaps the most futuristic feature is its bidirectional charging capability vehicle-to-home, vehicle-to-load, and even vehicle-to-grid. This means your iX3 can power your home, charge your devices, or feed electricity back into the grid, turning it from a mode of transport into a true energy ecosystem. The exterior of the iX3 marks the debut of BMW's next-generation design language: reduced, characterful, and timeless. The upright front end and precisely sculpted surfaces exude confidence and sophistication. Vertical kidney grills inspired by the iconic new E-Class models of the 1960s anchor the design, now illuminated by BMW's iconic glow lighting for a futuristic presence. Chrome is replaced by light itself, dynamic, intelligent, and alive. Slim twin headlights and flowing surfaces give the front an elegant yet commanding stance, while the side profile emphasizes clean lines, flush glass, and door handles integrated seamlessly into the body. The rear of the iX3 continues the theme of athletic elegance. Broad shoulders, a strong stance, and horizontally stretched taillights in the signature BMW L shape emphasize width and power. Even the aerodynamics have been fine-tuned to perfection. With a drag coefficient of just 0.24, the iX3 glides through the air more efficiently than ever before. At 4.78 meters long and 1.89 meters wide, it's unmistakably a BMW X model. Robust, versatile, and luxurious. Yet every detail serves performance and sustainability. Inside, the 9.3 delivers a cabin that redefines modern luxury. The interior is minimalist yet warm, futuristic yet unmistakably BMW. A floating dashboard with ambient backlighting wraps around the passengers, creating an environment that feels both high-tech and human. Every surface, from the door panels to the instrument cluster, flows harmoniously into the next. The use of sustainable materials is extensive. Econeer textile upholstery made from 100% recycled PET bottles, Veganza and M-Performtex finishes, and natural fiber accents that elevate both design and conscience. The cabin is not just about aesthetics. It's about experience. The centerpiece is BMW's new panoramic iDrive, an immersive digital interface that merges display, control, and interaction into a seamless experience. The panoramic vision display projects essential information across the entire width of the windshield, while the 3D head-up display adds spatial depth to navigation and driver assistance data. The FreeCut central display with matrix backlight sits within easy reach, complemented by an all-new multifunction steering wheel with illuminated, haptic feedback controls. This driver-centric layout is powered by BMW's all-new operating system X, which brings intelligent personalization, over-the-air updates, and deep integration with the My BMW app. The system learns, adapts, and evolves with the driver. Voice commands are more natural than ever thanks to advanced language models, while the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant can proactively suggest routines, routes, and settings. Entertainment options abound with access to Spotify, YouTube, Disney+, in-car gaming via Air Console, and even video conferencing with Zoom. Every journey can now be productive, entertaining, or simply serene, whichever you prefer. Underpinning this digital brilliance is the new electronics architecture of the new E-Class, a system powered by superbrains, high-performance computers that handle everything from driving dynamics to infotainment. One of them, known as the Heart of Joy, governs the drivetrain, brakes, and steering, processing data 10 times faster than conventional control units. It ensures that every input, every throttle press, every steering movement feels immediate, precise, and instinctive. The result is a level of driving engagement no electric SUV has ever achieved. Then comes BMW's Symbiotic Drive, an intelligent harmony between human and machine. The 9.3 anticipates your movements, adjusting acceleration, braking, and steering to create a seamless, intuitive flow. Even driver assistance becomes an extension of your intent rather than a correction of it. The highway assistant can handle long stretches of driving, traffic light detection helps in the city, and lane control remains active even with light steering input. It's not just assistance, it's collaboration. Safety and efficiency also benefit from the car's intelligent nervous system. The wiring harness is lighter, smarter, and divided into zones, reducing weight by 30% and shortening cables by 600 meters. Traditional fuses are replaced with digital smart e-fuses that intelligently manage power and vehicle states, optimizing energy use in real time. With such architecture, the 9.3 is truly a software-defined vehicle, ready for continuous upgrades and new features for years to come. But technology alone doesn't make a BMW. Driving does. The 9.3 redefines electric performance through the Heart of Joy control unit and its integrated dynamics management. Power delivery is instant and smooth. Handling is precise yet fluid, and the braking experience has been perfected with BMW's new soft stop system, providing the smoothest deceleration in any BMW to date. In fact, 98% of braking in everyday driving is done through regenerative energy recovery alone, capturing power while ensuring a natural pedal feel. The 9.3's versatility is equally impressive. Inside, it offers 520 liters of luggage capacity, expandable to 1,750 liters with the rear seats folded. There's also an additional 58-liter storage space under the bonnet for smaller items. And with a towing capacity of 2,000 kilograms, the 9.3 proves that electric mobility can still handle the demands of adventure. BMW's attention to sustainability is present in every detail. Around 1/3 of the 9/3's materials come from secondary, recycled sources. The underhood compartment and storage areas are made from 30% recycled marine plastics. The seat fabrics, headliner, and carpets use 100% recycled polyester, while aluminum components like the wheel hubs are made from up to 80% secondary material. Even the manufacturing process has been overhauled, reducing the car's total product carbon footprint by 34% compared to its predecessor. When charged using the European electricity mix, the 9/3's lifecycle emissions become lower than a comparable combustion model after just 21,500 kilometers. When charged solely with renewable energy, it surpasses its petrol counterpart in sustainability after only 17,500 kilometers, less than a year for most drivers. BMW's vision of circularity, where materials are reused, energy is renewable, and waste is minimized, is now more than a promise, it's production reality. Visually, the 9/3 embodies elegance and power, with options that allow for complete personalization. Customers can choose between 6 exterior colors, from subtle metallic silvers to bold statement shades. Standard 20-inch alloy wheels provide balance and style, while 21 and 22-inch BMW M and individual designs add extra flair. Inside, drivers can select between Essential, Contemporary, M Sport, and BMW individual interior worlds, tailoring the cabin to their taste. Standard equipment is generous, including adaptive LED headlights, comfort access, automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charging, and BMW's Harman Kardon Hi-Fi system. Optional features include a panoramic sunroof with climate comfort glazing, M Sport seats, steering wheel heating, and the BMW iconic Glow package, which adds animated lighting sequences that welcome and bid farewell to the driver. Every interaction feels orchestrated, alive, and uniquely BMW. With the new 9/3, BMW isn't just building an electric SUV. It's defining the framework for 40 upcoming models that will share the new E-Class DNA by 2027. This architecture will underpin everything from compact cars to high-performance M models, each benefiting from the innovations pioneered here. Ultimately, the BMW 9/3 is more than a product. It's a promise that driving pleasure and sustainability can coexist, a promise that technology can feel human, and a promise that the future of mobility can still make your heart race. From its Heart of Joy control system to its panoramic digital interface, from its zero-emission performance to its zero-compromise luxury, the 9/3 isn't just ready for tomorrow, it is tomorrow. This is the moment when the vision of the new E-Class becomes reality. This is the moment when the silent hum of electric power meets the unmistakable thrill of the ultimate driving machine. The all-new BMW 9/3. The beginning of a new class, the dawn of a new era, and the purest expression yet of sheer driving pleasure.